Hey guys, this is my Ninja 500 and today I'm going to be showing you how to change it to GP shift. Now mine is already GP shift, but I'm going to be showing it anyways, and don't mind all of the dirt, I will clean it later. So what we're going to be doing today is taking this cover off, which is just a plastic cover to give us some more room, and then we're going to be, show you guys, turning this thing around, which is going to be easy, which is just a thing that's connected to the shift lever. Now again, mine is already GP shift. On your bike, it's going to be around, so this nut right here is going to be on the other side, and you're just going to flip it, which I will show you, of course. And yeah, now for this mod, all you need is a screwdriver, in which you can put in different attachments, an H5 hex attachment, a 10mm wrench, an 8mm socket extension, and a small wrench, which will make this a lot easier. And yeah, your Ninja 500, I guess. Get your adapter on, get your socket on, and we're going to be taking off this nut right here. And apparently we're going to be breaking our socket. Great. Fucking marvelous. Of course, shit can break, especially when you don't have the best tools. Just take your socket, put the 8mm on. If it wants to go in, there you go. Round. You're just gonna loosen it. There you go. So, that one's loose. Great. There you go. Don't lose it, of course. Next one we'll be taking off is one that's just below here. There is a line going through it, which I just can't really see. Wait. This one right here. And yeah. There we go. Yeah, it's fine. There we go. It's off. Now I'm going to be taking off this one right here. Taking off the screw right here. And bam, there you go. The cover is off. Again, don't lose the screws. And this is what it's going to look like in the light. So as you guys can see, there's a lot of gunk here. Which I would clean if I was you. I'm going to do this before mounting it. So yeah, just do what has to be done. So now you just loosen the bolt. I'm using a 10mm wrench. As soon as it's loose, you could just undo it by hand. There we go. So on your Ninja 500, it's probably going to be looking like this. So it's going to be on like that. What you're just going to do is take it, turn it around, and put it back on. And then you're just going to put the bolt in. You can completely unthread it, of course. It's personal choice, and it depends on how good you can even get it out. Now as you guys can see, my lever is already on the perfect height for me, although it will be a bit different for each person, so just choose your height by just turning this guy right here Just need to loosen this top nut, turn it around, which will prop it up and down, and then yeah, get your size, I guess. Now I'm gonna go back to the wrench after we've hand tightened it. Bam. Now you're just gonna go with the wrench and tighten it properly. There you go. Just make sure it's on properly and it doesn't want to come out. It has like a little wedge which the screw will go into so it doesn't come out. So yeah. Now mine, again, is already on perfect height for me. You can check it by just getting on your Ninja and checking with your foot, and if it feels right, you can tighten down the actual screw. So I'm gonna go clean this bit right here, and then I'm gonna go in, put it back on. Right, now as soon as you've cleaned it, like I've done right here, it doesn't have to be perfectly clean, just take most of the gunk out. You're just gonna go ahead and put it back. Again, you're gonna have to be careful with these lines, and yes, your hands will become black. And I should be able to, yep, this one in. And once you've got two, third one's gonna be very easy. So now what I have to do is just, also before you put the stuff on, make sure you test your Ninja 500. So right now it's going to be in first. Now you're going to push it down once, and it will be in neutral, up, and it will not know until you move it around a bit, and then it's in first. And yeah, go down, go up, and it will know. Of course, if you're like stationary, it won't really be able to change gears that well. Go and tighten everything to the best of your ability. Don't tighten it too hard, you'll break the bolt. And bam, there you go. Again, it feels too low now. And this one actually might have moved it slightly from what I can tell. So I'll show you guys how to redo it. You're gonna get 10 mil, and you're going to undo this, loosen it a bit. There we go. Now once you've loosened it, you can turn it either right or left, which will bring the shift lever either up or down. So just turn it slightly, or whichever direction. Get on your bike, test it out. If it feels good on the bike, then you can tighten it back down, which means tightening this nut and this nut. Again, first hand tighten, go in with your wrench, go to the bottom one, which I'm pretty sure is reverse threaded, which means it tightens the opposite way, and bam. I'll remove the wrench, it wants to go. There you go. Now if you can't turn it either way, you have it on correctly, and your lever will move. So now get on the bike, turn it on, and now of course you can test it out on. There you go, of course. So yeah, that's how you make your bike GP shift. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like. If you didn't, then don't, I guess. And yeah, make sure to subscribe because it does support me. And yeah, I will be uploading the next video soon, which will show you guys how to make the rear brake pedal black, which will include removing some of these bolts and stuff like that. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have fun.